ONTOFORCE helps companies to connect private and public data, especially tackling the challenges of growing data complexity and the need for a trusted and secure data integration. It is known that poorly integrated data leads to imperfect business decisions, reduces competitive advantage, and slows down innovation and growth. Organizations want to democratize access to data.
Democratizing access to data is exactly why I founded the company ONTOFORCE. I was a so-called expert in finding data about genes, diseases, drugs and so on, but when I found out that my kid had something, it took me a lot of time to get to the data. It's exactly because data is spread in all of these sources, very widely spread, difficult to access, and that's exactly where we come in.
ONTOFORCE developed an innovative self-service and linked data platform, Discover, that delivers trusted and timely insights for business users. The story started with the data itself. The core of ONTOFORCE's mission is to seamlessly integrate all internal and external data silos into one secure, consistent, fast, scalable, and easy-to-use system.
Discover is often used in research. For example, when pharmaceutical companies are looking into solutions for a new disease, they need to evaluate a lot of information. They need to look at the publication in order to identify the key opinion leader in this field. They need to evaluate the patent and grants in order to see if they have the freedom to operate, but also all the biological evidence in order to know if there is already negative effects that have been observed with using certain drugs or targeting certain genes. And there is much more information that need to be evaluated along the process. This exercise requires easily 1 to 2 experts for several weeks. With Discover, we shorten the process in few hours, and that can be done by the scientists themselves. Our customers explain that it saves them €1,000 per report, but also reducing the time from 21 days to 1 day, meaning that we will bring the product 20 days earlier on the market.
The reason why companies choose ONTOFORCE is twofold. Firstly, the patented platform outperforms competitors in terms of speed, scalability, and stability. The platform can handle enormous amounts of data, fast, and without a big memory footprint. Secondly, customers praise the award-winning user interface, making it easy for non-tech-savvy users to build complex queries across a multitude of data silos in a very intuitive way.
So what we see is that many companies are struggling to understand where the data lives, in particular when there have been an acquisition or where people left the organization. Data is often residing in silos that are not connected, and more silos are being created rather than connecting information. As a consequence, people often would actually redo some work rather than trying to figure out whether it has been done before. So this is where our data catalog use case comes in. We can integrate data from disconnected data silos, and by doing so, we can make information discoverable for everybody at any moment. As a consequence, people often find information nuggets that they weren't even looking for. With our system in place, our customers are really happy because they actually can unlock the value of information that was previously hidden.
The feedback from ONTOFORCE customers is that the team of experts delivers a working environment in days, not months or years. The company combines top-notch technology with a dedicated customer focus and a strong emphasis on use cases and value-driven results. The ONTOFORCE platform demonstrated a minimum of 5 times return on investment during the first year.
First application of the ONTOFORCE technology was in early research. We have expanded this to other data silos beyond research. An example of this is the identification of potential clinical study sites based on information retrieved from different public data sources. In the industry, a lot of time is spent on finding the right locations to set up a clinical study. In the later phases of drug development, losing time is even more crucial than in an early discovery phase. With our platform, we help to find and prioritize data much faster, and this can save companies up to 600 to 800K per day. The impact of this is broader than only the company itself. It also has impact for the society as a whole, and even more for the individual who really needs the new therapies the most.
With ONTOFORCE, you don't just buy top technology, but you engage in a journey with a partner to deliver on the promise of the immense value big data can provide.
We're really proud with ONTOFORCE and where we are today with the company. First of all, we've proven that our technology does work. Secondly, we see that we deliver value for our customers. That's even the best, right? So customers use our tech and it delivers value. And thirdly, right now we're in the moment of getting more market share. So we see more customers coming to us and it's really working out in the market. Today, we can confirm that our customers who use the platform save millions of dollars. That's really nice. But on top of that, the beauty of ONTOFORCE is the fact that we have a social impact. Patients use our public platform, and what you see is we truly can save lives with smarter data.
Let's make an impact together.